In high-risk environments, awareness is everything. Every movement, every pattern, every moment can shape the outcome. TemsDrones delivers real-time intelligence from above, quietly, discreetly, and with absolute precision. Our aerial systems monitor activity, track movement, and provide continuous situational awareness without disrupting the environment below. From wide-area scans to focused observation, TemsDrones captures the details that matter. Crowd behavior, isolated activity, emerging risks, all seen clearly from a secure vantage point. Whether it's public spaces, critical infrastructure, or high-risk zones, our drones give operators the visibility they need to make informed decisions. Every frame is designed to support faster responses, stronger coordination, and safer outcomes. Built for reliability. Engineered for clarity. TemsDrones is designed for operations where failure is not an option. Stabilized optics, smooth flight profiles, and intelligent tracking ensure consistent, dependable performance in dynamic environments. Our systems enhance safety, strengthen situational awareness, and empower teams with actionable intelligence, day or night, routine or high pressure. From early detection to post-event analysis, TemsDrones becomes an essential force multiplier for any security-focused operation. When visibility matters most, trust the perspective that rises above the challenge. Trust the technology built to see what others can't. See how TemsDrones can elevate your surveillance capability. Learn more at www.temsdrones.com. TemsDrones, intelligence from above.